Alright guys, so the new pilot generator is in. Just want to show you how it kind of hooked up down there. If you can look under here, you can see the igniter cable that I plugged back in here. Got your two screws there. I didn't tighten that one up yet, so got to do that, but just kind of wanted to show you how I ran the piping. So when you bend the gas pipe, the pipe from the pilot, it's coming in here. You don't want to, you want it to be a smooth radius curve here. You don't want it to have any sharp kinks. That ferrule nut right here is very important. You want to tighten it up with a 12mm wrench, and you get a nice smooth flow of the piping, the gas going right up into the pilot generator back there. You can see it. And now, if you test it, you should get some good readings. Yesterday I was only getting, well, I shouldn't say only, I mean 450 is not that bad, but you probably want to try to get as much voltage as you can out of this thing. Part of that's what's caused some of the finicky nature of these heaters. Let's clean this tip off. So let me just stick this in here, because I am filming, but I'm going to try to get you a reading. Stick this in here like that. And over here, I'll put this probe here. The meter's reading a nice 482. I did see it shoot up to about 489, 491 before. So definitely, you know, 30, 40 extra millivolts from yesterday, which is good. So now that's all that's left to do. I showed you, you got to hold on to pilot. Just follow your lighting instructions. Switch the gas on. Make sure you didn't forget to turn that on. Some people forget to turn their gas main on, then they wonder why their pilot's not lighting. You can't see it here. I will try to show it to you. Let me see. I can't get in there to show you the pilot flame, but that hole back here is where you view your pilot light, and you should see gas flame coming out of the pilot. And that's really it. Just make sure you got this tightened up correctly. This is a compression fitting, so once you tighten it, this is very strong. It's not going to pop off. Again, your two test leads, you want to put them on the two pilot generator screws coming in from there, right on top, right on the bottom. And that's really it. I mean, that's just replacing the pilot generator. It's not that big of a deal.